I had this video in my archives and I thought it was the perfect moment to upload it. Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. I hate to say it, it's been a minute. I was being so consistent and one day I just stopped posting, and then it like one day led to another and I was like, no way. I haven't posted like a long form video probably in almost a month. I'm probably exaggerating, but this is me eating my breakfast. This was back in November 2025. This is kind of old, but I hope you enjoy it. I thought it was a little cute video. So these are all the ingredients for the lasagna. I know it was a lot and I feel like I overcomplicated it. So next time I'm just gonna do like a simple lasagna. Ah, there you go. This is the aftermath of making lasagna for my brother, so he better be freaking thankful because I have been cooking this for like 2 hours. And then thankfully I have some extra, so it'll be worth it. It's in the oven right now. I don't even want to mess with it. It looks delicious, but fingers crossed. Finally done with the lasagna. I did have a little bit extra, so I made a little bit extra. So hopefully they like it. I did kind of oversalt it just a bit, but it was my first time making it. I'm super proud. The taste is overall delicious, so we'll see. So this is how the lasagna looks. Still warm. I didn't have aluminum foil, so covered it with this. It's like really late at night. It's like 1 a.m. but I finally got my planner and I'm gonna unbox it. First impressions right now. I haven't even looked. Let me check out my schedule. That's what it says right here. Life isn't perfect, but your planner can be. First thing I see right now, stickers. So basically it says TikTok, film stories, sponsored holiday content, post on, has checks and computers. So if you don't already know, this is my content calendar. I saw her on TikTok and I didn't even like imagine, I couldn't even imagine how beautiful she is. But like, she is big. So it has like a bookmark, and then you can put basically belongs to. I don't want to show too much because I know they don't show that much, but bless you. Bless you. Oh wow. So it has like a page for your monthly stats. It has it divided by months, and then has like weekly, quarterly goals. It's divided by like TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, basically by all the social medias. And then it has like the posting schedules, and then it has like the best days to post, and it has times. So, and then it has like, you can keep track of how many followers you have for each of your like social media, your passwords, usernames, holiday content. Actually, I'm gonna share this with you guys. I am planning on doing Vlogmas this year, and I'm so terrified because I barely started being consistent on YouTube. This is gonna be my 3rd video, so almost a month. Not quite, but almost. So we're in November. For Vlogmas, I plan probably not every single day, but every like, I want to be kind of consistent. So maybe every like 2 to 3 days, I'll post something like throughout the month. But right here, it has where I can write my ideas. I do already have like a lot of ideas of what I want to do for Vlogmas. So It just says content idea, platform, date to film, date to post, film, post, and you can check off. This is literally everything I thought, well, everything I ever wanted in a calendar. Honestly, this is the best investment ever because it has so many things in this calendar, not just like your schedule. It has many like things where you can keep track. It has stickers, it has tabs where you can keep track. So definitely need this, and I'm so excited for this. I have been awaiting this calendar for a minute now. It took me a while to actually purchase it because I wasn't sure, but now that I have it, it arrived within a week after I ordered it. So tomorrow you're gonna catch me here looking through, and I'm gonna plan my Vlogmas. And if you guys have any ideas for Vlogmas, let me know down in the comments. Okay, bye!